Hi, I'm Billy from Leatherman Tools, and today we're going to teach you how to clean a multi-tool.
First, you need a dirty multi-tool.
Ew!
Then you'll need some paper towels, a shop towel, a little bit of water, some cotton swabs, lubricating oil, Scotch-Brite pad, a solvent like WD-40, and a toothbrush. First, you get a damp towel and wipe down the exterior of the multi-tool. Next, you'll want to spray some WD-40 onto the specific implements of the tool that need deep cleaning. Then you'll want to buff the stained surfaces with a polishing cloth or non-metallic abrasive like a Scotch-Brite pad. For those hard-to-reach places, use a toothbrush or cotton swab to get in and clean all the nooks and crannies of your multi-tool. Be sure to use caution when cleaning around sharp implements such as the knife blade or saw. Now you'll wipe off the excess WD-40 with a paper towel and properly dry off your multi-tool. Now that you've cleaned and dried off your multi-tool, you'll need to lubricate it with a light oil. And voila, you've got a clean multi-tool. Thanks for watching and good luck giving your multi-tool some much needed TLC.